Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing the importance of self-care. This is another video based on the self-care series.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
So if you are new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's very important for us to shift our mindsets from a negative mindset to a more positive one. This is going to have an effect on all areas of your life. The importance of self-care is that it helps you prevent getting into a funk, allow you to get out of a funk, also heal your mind and body, and teach you different things that you do and do not enjoy. So as far as learning different things that you do and don't enjoy, doing that will allow you to step out of your comfort zone to see what else is out there that you may actually enjoy, and not doing the things that you just don't enjoy. It's time to set boundaries and no longer do things that you truly don't enjoy. Now, don't get me wrong, there are going to be times where you have to do things you don't want to do, like sitting in traffic because you got to get home, or getting up and working out. As far as getting up and working out, that is something where you don't feel like doing before you work out, and then afterwards you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy I chose to get up and work out. Knowing what you do and don't like will also show you different things that you can do to bring the joy back into your life and the happiness back into your life. So if you are getting into a funk, daily self-care will help you be more mindful of the fact that even if you aren't feeling great right now, you know that it's only temporary, and you know exactly what you need to do in order to uplift yourself. When you are practicing self-care daily, it helps prevent the amount of times you get into a funk in the first place. It won't happen as often as it may be happening now. Self-care is going to give you the control that you need to know that everything that is just getting in your way and stopping you from where you want to go is just temporary, and you are in control, and you hold all the power to reach your goals and live the life that you want and deserve. Taking care of yourself on a regular basis is so important. Even if it is just 10 minutes a day, you need to take care of yourself and see what you like. Step out of your comfort zone, try new things, be open to embracing the things that are getting in your way, because this is life, and realistically, life isn't always going to be peanut butter and Oreos. So just accept that things are going to happen, and don't get down on yourself when you're like, oh my god, things were going great and now it's just hell. Like, it's not always going to be a great time. You can get it to where it's a great time 80 to 90%. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Put more effort into yourself, and that is going to make a huge difference in your life. You need to fill up your cup before you fill up others. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.